my channel.
Hi guys!
We're on video call right now because we are going to play a game called Who's More Likely To, and you might have heard it, a lot of famous YouTubers playing such games. So you want to tell what this game is about?
So basically we are going to ask bunch of questions to each other and we are gonna hold up these signs in which our name is written and we are going to answer at the same time who we think is more likely to blank. So maybe who is more likely to run around or anything. So we're gonna play this game.
Hey, let's go! So you want to start?
So my first question is, who is more likely to get into a cat fight? Okay. So, one,
That's an interesting question.
yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I also selected me. So even
Yeah.
I selected myself.
She has
because
never
I
been.
do get into a cat fight.
Have you? I have not seen her, but I feel she is more likely to get into. I'm like
Yeah.
very like, please don't kill me.
Yeah, but if somebody is trying to bully me for no reason, be angry at me for no reason, then I'm more likely to fight than be like, hey, listen, let us talk. I'm not like that person who will talk. I'm the
Yeah.
person who will fight. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah.
So, okay, my next question is, who's more likely to bunk class to attend their favorite artist concert?
Oh,
Yeah. Yes.
class. I don't know. This is tough. This is actually very tough. I mean, okay. Okay. 1,
Okay.
2, 3. I feel both of us. I'm gonna say both. We both.
Yeah, even I'm going to say both. Have you ever bunked class for any reason?
I'm very scared to bunk actually.
Yeah, same. I've
Have
never bunked
you?
class.
You haven't, right?
No, I have never. But I would for my favorite artist I would actually take a leave. Like you for my classes you need to give like a medical reason. So I would actually go that far ahead to actually attend their concert if it's during the class time. Yeah.
The next question of mine is, who is more likely to be chased by a dog?
Oh my god, that's my biggest fear.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, okay, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
1, 2,
3.
3. Who?
Me.
Me. I would say me because I have been chased by a dog.
Yeah, even I have been
I
chased.
ran 3 rounds
I have been badly chased by
around
a
my
dog.
building.
Yeah.
Is it?
So it has happened a lot of times. One time was when I was going in scooty with my mother. So a bunch of dogs were chasing me when I used to stay in India. And a second incident was also there, like near my area. So there were a lot of dogs. So it was very hard for you to reach your home safely. Yeah. But have you ever got a dog bite?
I haven't.
Yeah, same.
No,
me
not
neither.
bitten by a dog.
Yeah, thankfully, by
Yeah,
God's
we
grace.
both are kind of scared of animals, right? Kind of.
Yeah,
sounds
I'm the type of person who will stand far away and adore a cat or a dog, but don't have the guts to
Yeah.
go near them and like
Yep.
pamper them.
Me
Yeah.
too. I like to look at them.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's me.
Bye. So,
Yeah. Okay, so my next question will be, who's more likely to get a hip tattoo?
Okay, baby, that is not a tattoo. This is a tattoo.
You got a tattoo?
oh,
You know, like how Rachel from Friends did something like that.
Yep.
Yeah. So,
Oh.
are you ready for your answer?
Okay, hip tattoo, right? Okay, but yeah.
Yeah, hip.
Hip.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Oh,
Let me.
okay.
Yeah. 1, 2,
2, 3.
3. And only because you are willing to get tattoo recently, so that's why I feel you are more inclined.
I might get one here. Coming
Yeah.
soon vlog.
But you should get a
maybe.
hip tattoo like how Rachel did.
I don't know about hip, but I would
Yeah, no
get.
one can see it, right? No one can see it.
That's
so
a
what's
good
the
point. That's a good point. Where
Yeah.
how Kendall Jenner got it inside her lips.
Lips, yeah.
Yeah.
And she wrote meow. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's there. So yeah. Okay, this one. Who is more likely to get married in Vegas? Because then you don't have
Where
to
you got
stay.
this idea from?
I got it from some video. So this you don't have to stay married. You can just leave and go. It's just fun.
Oh, like Rachel, sorry, not Rachel. and
Yeah.
Ross.
It's just fun for fun. You're like, okay, let's get married. Bye. Next day, I don't know who you are.
With anyone.
With
It can also
anyone.
be your friend. Okay. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's answer.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sure.
Yeah, same. We got it correct.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Lisa maybe.
Yeah, Lisa. Yeah,
I-
even I think me, because I don't know why, but I don't know.
Just
But I'm not the type of person who would like. Yeah, I mean for fun maybe I can.
Yeah,
with-
just for
with a
fun.
friend.
what
Yeah.
happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So yeah, that's fun.
Nice. Who's more likely to spend all their money on skincare/makeup? Yay!
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We know the answer.
1, 2, 3. I'll say we both. Sam and me.
Yeah, we both.
Because
Yeah.
you're the type of person who will spend on skincare. I'm the type of person who will like to collect makeup.
Makeup.
Yeah.
I'm recently into makeup,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
I'm there.
Yeah. I know.
So we both.
We both. Yeah.
My next question is, who is more likely to be popular in school?
None of us.
Yeah, actually, to be honest, none of us. But between us,
Let us see. I've never been popular. Okay.
yeah,
You have the answer?
yeah, I have.
No, wait. Let me think through this. Wait. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Gonna
But I've
say
never been popular. Just for the record, I've never been like.
she has never been
popular,
popular, but I think people know her more than me.
Yeah.
Right, in
I
school?
Think, yeah.
I think.
Yeah, because when we were together in school, I had been there for a bit longer time than you. I think that's why.
That's also
Yeah.
there. But I think you will be
Yeah.
more popular.
So, another question is, who's more likely to use a fake ID to get into a club?
Oh, I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
I have answer. I have the answer.
Is it
Yeah.
fake ID? First of all, I look like a 5-year-old. Nobody's
So
gonna.
even if you have ID, they'll be like, hey, please, who's fake ID?
Okay,
Please,
okay. I'm gonna say 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Wait,
say
I'll
me.
say and me.
Yeah, both of us. But once I was in Thailand with my family, and they weren't allowing me inside because I was underage, and they allowed everyone in. So then the guys who was our guide, he kind of called him and he was like blah blah blah. I don't know what he talked, but then yeah, I was the only one underage, so I have got into the
But what is the age?
21. I was 18, and I was so
Okay,
proud.
so
I was
we-
like, I'm 18.
Yeah.
But it was 21.
We are still underage. We are still
Yeah, we're
underage.
still underage. But I'm gonna say both of us, but I have been inside. So,
Okay.
yeah.
I've never done such things, so I don't know. But if I'm with a bunch of people, then like
Yeah.
why not?
Why not? Everybody has
Yeah.
IDs. Why not? So, yeah.
Yeah.
Who's more likely to cry randomly? Just cry in general. Mood. Have a breakdown. Have a breakdown.
Okay, I have the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
1, 2, 3. Why do you
say you?
Why?
I don't know. Emotional wise, you are more emotional.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
cry
yeah,
very
yeah.
often. I don't cry very often.
Yeah. I've never seen her crying.
Yeah, she's not seen me cry.
I want
I
to
don't
see
know
you
why.
cry. I want to see you cry.
She does that like from the day I met her. She's like, I want to see you
Yeah.
cry. No.
Yeah, but what will you look like when crying? Because I look horrible, you know that.
I don't know. Ugly.
I have cried in front of you, so
Yeah.
I look
Many
horrible.
times. I don't remember looking horrible. Better than me. But yeah, I think comparatively she's slightly emotional. Not much. Not
Yeah,
much.
slightly.
Slightly. One of her friends she is.
Yeah, she.
You know where she
Mirali.
is. Yeah, Mrinali. If you're watching the video.
Yeah, comment down below if you agree with us or not. But
Yeah. She's very emotional. So
likely to wait, who's more likely to be easily pranked?
easily pranked. Oh yeah. This is so easy.
Wait,
I know
here.
who this is.
Wait, let me see. Okay, yeah, maybe I know. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
3. Me.
Yeah, same.
Me. I'm a dumb. I'm a dumb. I'm very dumb. I'm super dumb. Like you can surprise me.
But
prank me.
have I pranked you ever? Have we or his?
Maybe.
What is your prank story? What is your prank story? Like
My
the getting
prank
pranked.
story. I don't know. People text me. I've met celebrities, and I get. Oh yeah! Wow! You met him. You met her. People generally surprise me. Just last week, two of my friends surprised me, and they dropped so many hints. They're gonna come to my house, but I didn't know. I was like, yeah, whatever. And they were like, you're
Huh?
so dumb.
And
Yeah.
hints like how? Like
They're like, is it okay if we go tomorrow out? Stuff like that. So
Okay.
they have dropped hints, but they're like, you're so dumb. I would have easily known I'm coming to surprise you. So yeah.
oh, okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
And make sure to like and subscribe and please don't judge my handwriting.
Yes. See you guys. Bye.
We got no plans, we got nothing to